Today's meditation is about sending healing energy to the pancreas and the liver. You can do this every day. Your body is energy, your mind is energy, your soul is energy. So if there's any issues in these organs, we can send healing energy there to help transform the cells and help those organs to get better, to thrive. So let's do that now. Sitting comfortably, legs can be cross-legged or feet on the floor, spine erect. Roll our shoulders back a few times. Start to loosen up the shoulders. You can even roll the neck a couple times around to the right and to the left. Relaxing your body. Palms can be comfortably on your lap, face up. We'll do a little chanting, a little breath work. We'll go deep into a meditation and we'll send some powerful healing energy to our organs, specifically pancreas and the liver. When you're ready, you can close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through the nose and hold at the top, breathing in. Hold. And release. Relaxing your entire body. Breathing in again through the nose. Hold at the top. And let it out. Your eyes still closed. Turn your gaze slightly upward toward the center of your forehead. As you breathe in through your nose, breathe up to the center of your forehead, between your eyebrows. And breathe back out through your nose. Do a few deep breaths, keeping your attention the center between your eyebrows. Now, with your attention still at the center of your eyebrows, see if you can sense a healing, radiant light of energy coming in through the center of your eyebrows, going into your brain, going down your spine, and send it to your pancreas. You don't even have to know what the pancreas is or where it is. Just in your mind, think, I'm directing this healing, powerful, radiant light to my pancreas. And as it's coming in through the center of your forehead, down your spine, send it to your liver as well. Again, you don't have to know anything about the liver. Just have a feeling that this light is going to your pancreas and your liver. You can just have it fill up all your organs, from your chest all the way down through your stomach. Wrap around your entire torso, this healing light that is sending powerful healing, radiant, divine energy to your pancreas and your liver, and to all your organs. Smiling at your pancreas, saying, thank you, pancreas, I love you. I'm grateful for all that you do to try and keep me alive. I'm grateful for all that you do every day. May you be healthy and vital and vibrant. Please teach me what I need to know to take good care of you. Show me what you need. May I be a good listener and do what is necessary to take great care of you. Smiling at your liver, saying, thank you, my liver. Thank you for all the hard work you do every day to keep me alive, keep my body clean. May I take care of you, give you the nutrients and the energy you need to thrive. Teach me your lessons. Teach me what I need to know. Show me how to take great care of you. I love you and I thank you. Now let us chant this powerful chant, this powerful mantra. Sending this healing energy to all of our organs, to our pancreas and our liver, to all our organs, our gallbladder, our spleen, our intestines, our heart, our lungs, our kidneys, adrenals. All the organs in your body. This chant is a Qigong chant from my Qigong teacher, Ming Tonggu. The chant is Hao La. Visualize your entire torso and all your organs being filled with healing energy as we chant. Breathing in. Hao La. Hao La. Hao La. Hao La. Hao La. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Releasing anything that no longer serves you. Releasing any negative energy, any dead cells, any abnormal cells. Just release it all. Breathing in pure love and light. Releasing all negative energies, all abnormal cells, all leaving your body now. Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. May you all humans, all humanity, all living beings be healthy, happy, and peaceful. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Ready, you can start to move your fingers, wiggle your toes. Bringing a gentle smile to your face. When you're ready, you can open your eyes. Rub your hands, your palms together, bringing some energy to your eyes. The divine light in me bows to the divine light in you. Namaste.